Ready to curate your ultimate music oasis on Spotify? First things first, open your Spotify app. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, then navigate to your library section, which is usually found at the bottom or left-hand side of your screen. Now, let's get creating. Look for a button that says Create Playlist. It's usually a plus sign or a clearly labeled option. Click it. A new playlist will appear, with the placeholder name like My Playlist. It's time to personalize it. Tap or click the playlist title to rename your playlist. Type in whatever title you like, such as Workout Jams, Chill Vibes, or My Ultimate Summer Playlist. Now that you've named your playlist, it's time to fill it with music. Look for a button that says Add Songs. Click to add songs. This will bring up the search bar. Search for your favorite artists, songs, or albums. Spotify also offers smart suggestions tailored to your listening preferences. Once you've found a song you like, tap or click the plus sign next to the song or album to add it to your playlist. You can add as many songs as you want. You can reorder them later. Want to share your playlist with friends? Simply click on the share button. You can copy the link and share it wherever you like, or share it via other social media platforms directly from Spotify. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own Spotify masterpiece. Customize the songs you want to create and share now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Spotify tips.